Hi, my name's Robin Love, and I got started in real estate back in the late 1980s. My dad was losing his farm at the time. The economy was really bad, and so the gentleman who was selling his farm, who was a realtor, local realtor, had asked me if I'd be interested in getting my license, and he put me through the real estate license class, and I did it, passed, and had been working at it ever since. You know, I recall we were coming out of the really bad downturn in 2000, from 2008 until 2014, and I recall Allen Edwin had come into a community. They'd bought up a lot of the property that had been lost by the developer. They picked up the land, and the salespeople started coming into our offices, all the local offices from Allen Edwin, and they're talking about their product. And I remember being able to come to models, looking at their homes, and was quite impressed with what I saw. I think my clients enjoy the Allen Edwin experience because they can walk into a model, see all the different types of products that are available, the different cabinetry, flooring. They get excited. And from there, they can go into the locations and pick out the different types of flooring they'd like, different cabinetry, and I think that Allen Edwin has provided a really nice product for people that just can't find that, what they're looking for. I love real estate because there's nothing more fulfilling than sitting at the closing table with a young family that has just purchased either their first or second home. Maybe it's a home that's expanding their abilities for their family, and knowing that I've been part of their dream search, and it's just very fulfilling to know that you can help people to do that. I've lived in this area all my life. I know the community well. I think that for me personally, it's just being able to connect with people and listen to what their needs are, and have product that they would be not necessarily able to see, because through me they're able to look at pre-existing homes, new construction, maybe even talk about building a home. Allen Edwin saves me time because from the moment that the consumer falls in love with one of their properties or one of their communities, they take over from there. In other words, they have systems down in place from the beginning to the end. And while I always like to be involved in the process, Allen Edwin has a process that has already been designed and created so that there's nothing left for the consumer to be worried about. I mean, even from the mortgage process all the way right to the closing table. Allen Edwin has helped me to grow my business because they have product that I wouldn't necessarily be able to provide to the consumer. Different communities, all different locations. They really have covered a lot of the areas in Michigan that I wouldn't necessarily have been able to provide a product for the client. Registering my buyers with Allen Edwin has been so simple. All I have to do is call up my local salesperson, Randy Sirline, and he has a form that is simple. I just fill it out, get it back to him as soon as I can, and that way that I know I'm protected. Allen Edwin has always really believed that the realtor has a place in our community, and they've always respected our time and what we can bring to the table for them as well as what they bring to us. I can see myself continuing to work with Allen Edwin over the years, as long as they continue to have different communities within our area. It's a real pleasure to always know that I can take any one of my clients to any one of their communities, and we might have something that they haven't seen before and be able to get that client into a home.